Do you feel like you're always broke as a college student? Wish you had extra cash without spending all your time working? If so, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you 5 powerful side hustles that are perfect for college students, can be done around your study schedule, and actually pay well. Whether you need to cover tuition, buy textbooks, or just want more financial freedom, these side hustles are flexible, profitable, and designed to work with a student lifestyle. Ready to make some money? Let's jump in. First up is freelance writing or editing. If you're good with words, there's a huge demand for writers who can create blog posts, social media content, and website copy. You can find gigs on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. You can work from anywhere, set your own hours, and build a strong portfolio while in college. Next on the list is online tutoring. If you excel in a subject, why not help others and get paid? You can teach subjects like math, English, science, or even more specialized fields like coding. Popular platforms like Chegg Tutors and Wizant connect you with students who need your help. Online tutoring is flexible, pays well, and can even help you master your own studies. Coming in at number 3 is social media management. Many businesses are looking for people to help them with their Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook presence. If you're social media savvy, this is the perfect side hustle. You can find gigs on LinkedIn, Facebook groups, or reach out directly to small businesses in your area. Plus, it's a great resume builder. Number 4 is for the creatives out there, selling on Etsy. If you have a knack for making things like jewelry, custom art, or vintage clothes, you can create an Etsy store and start selling. Etsy allows you to reach a global audience and sell anything from digital downloads to handmade goods. And finally, a simple way to earn money without too much effort. Online surveys and market research. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research pay you to give feedback on products, answer questions, or test new apps. While it may not pay a lot, it's an easy way to make a bit of money in your spare time. And that wraps up our top 5 side hustles for college students. Each of these options is flexible, doesn't require a huge time commitment, and best of all, helps you make money without losing focus on your studies. Let me know in the comments which one you'd like to try, or if you already have a side hustle that's working for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more money-making ideas and financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.